Are you stuck with the Xbox app throwing error 0x80070422 and refusing to update? Don't panic. You're about to learn the exact working solutions that will fix it, no matter where you are in the world. And stick around till the end, because I'll show you one hidden Windows setting that 90% of people forget, but it's often the real cause of this error. Why this error happens? This error usually means that your Windows Update or Xbox services are disabled, blocked, or not communicating properly with Microsoft servers. It could be caused by disabled background services, corrupted Xbox app files, incorrect Windows Update settings, network or firewall blocks. Now, let's fix it step by step. 1. Enable Windows Update service. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and hit Enter. Scroll down to Windows Update. If it's set to disabled, right-click, choose Properties, set Startup Type to Automatic, and click Start. Click Apply and OK. Without this, the Xbox app won't be able to check for updates. 2. Turn on Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Still in services.msc, find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, FITS. Set it to Automatic and start the service. This service quietly downloads updates in the background, so without it, your Xbox app gets stuck. 3. Check Xbox services. Look for these services: Xbox Accessory Management Service, Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Networking Service. Make sure all are set to Automatic and running. If even one of these is off, the app might refuse to update. 4. Reset the Xbox app. Press Windows plus I to open settings. Go to Apps Installed Apps. Find Xbox, click the 3 dots, choose Advanced Options, then click Reset. This removes corrupted cache files and lets the app start fresh. 5. Use Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Settings System, Troubleshoot Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and run the troubleshooter. Apply all suggested fixes. 6. The hidden fix, Network Reset. This one is often overlooked, but it fixes blocked Xbox connections. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Advanced Network Settings, Network Reset. Click Reset now and restart your PC. 7. Update via Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store. Search for Xbox. Click Update if available. If you followed these steps, your Xbox app should now update without error 0x80070422. If it still doesn't work, uninstall the Xbox app and reinstall it directly from the Microsoft Store. For more PC and gaming fixes that actually work, subscribe to Nexus Quest Gaming and turn on the notification bell, because I drop solutions that others miss. And drop a comment if you have any questions. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.
Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you